Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is how to do the additions fastly by using the small trick. So please watch this video to the last so that you can understand this trick very easily. So for that, I have taken this example. Here we'll do the additions from bottom to top. Okay, we'll start it. So first we'll add 7 plus 2, that equals to 9. 9 plus 6, 15. Whenever we get the answer more than 10 or equals to 10, then we need to mark a line there and we need to write the number how much more we got than 10. Now here we got 15, so 5 more than 10. So 5 should be written here and this should be added to the next number, that is 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. So we got 11 more than 10. So we need to mark here and we got 1 more than 10. So that should be written here and this 1 should be added to 5. That is 5 plus 1 equals to 6. 6 plus 4 equals to 10. Here we got equals to 10. Then also we should mark here and write the number more than 10. So we doesn't have anything more than 10. So we are writing 0. And next here is the trick. We need to count the lines. How many we have drawn? How many we have drawn? 1, 2, 3. So that should be written in tens place. So we got the answer. See how simple? Okay. Next we'll go with another example. So first we'll add 3 plus 7, that equals to 10. So what we need to do? We need to mark here because we got the value 10 and we doesn't have anything more than 10 here. So we need to write 0. So that 0 should be added to the next number. 6 plus 0, obviously 6. So 6 plus 1, 7 and 7 plus 9, that equals to 16. So it is more than 10. So we need to mark here and how much more we got? 6 more than 10. So we need to write here 6 and this should be added to the next number, that is 4. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 we got. So we need to mark here and how much more we got? We doesn't have anything more than 10. So we need to mark the 0 and this 0 should be added to the number, that is 3. And 3 plus 8, 11. It is more than 10. So we need to mark here and that one should be written in the units place. And for coming to the tens place, we need to count the lines and we need to write there. How many lines we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 we need to written in tens place. Okay. See how within the seconds we got the answer. Now we'll see with double digit additions. Okay. For these also first we will do the units addition. Okay. So 2 plus 1, that equals to 3. So 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. Here we got more than 10. So mark it here and mark the 6 there. And 6 plus 6, 12. Here we got more than 10. So again mark it and how much more we got? 2. So that should be written and this 2 should be added to the next number. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. 4 should be written in the units place. And here is the trick. How many lines we have? 2. And these 2 should be carry forwarded to the tens digit. So we need to write it here. Now we'll do the sum of the tens digit. Okay. 7 plus 3 equals to 10. So equals to 10. So we need to mark it and write more than the 10 how much we have. That is 0. We doesn't have anything. So 0 plus 4. 4 plus 6, 10. Again mark it. How much more we got? That should be written here. 0. That should be added to the next number. 0 plus 3, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. And 5 plus 2 equals to 7. That should be written in the tens place. Next, here how many lines we got? 2. These 2 should be written in the hundreds place. We got the answer. See how simple? Okay. Try the trick by yourself and enjoy the trick. Thank you. Thank you. Please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like these. Bye.